Hello everyone, welcome to Marc and Tikay Happiness.
Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we are in SM Mall Aurora in Manila, BGC, Bonifacio Global City, and we are going to eat at Jollibee restaurant just behind us for the first time after 4 years waiting for that.
We are going to full our stomach.
Yes, and in that Jollibee there is a waiter robot or robot waiter. So we will discover how this waiter will work.
If he's polite and kind.
If he's polite and kind, and if he's good, if he's offering a good service.
Okay, see you inside.
So let's see you there.
Hello. How are you? Jollibee. Nicola is there and Mark is there.
Jollibee, how are you?
You're bigger than him. Oh, very beautiful smile.
Let's go inside, Tikay. Let's order. Commande la mettre là. Je sais pas ce que je prends. Il y a Ube cheese pie. Ouais, le miel. Moi j'ai pas trop faim. Je veux un truc léger. C'est 7. Putain, les steaks. Ça c'était le C1 à l'époque. Non. C'est ça le C1. Non mais il y avait un steak. Avant le C1 c'était un steak. Bah non, c'était un steak caché. C'est chicken. Ça peut être juste un steak. Ouais. C'était une BA. Allez, moi je prends ça. Y1. Regarde, c'était B1. Ah, B1. Filme encore. Oui, mais après on coupe. Toi, tu veux quoi? Je sais pas, je vais envoyer à Christophe d'abord. Moi, je vais prendre ça, un C8. Attends. Ah, comment? So Tikay, the robot, which is there,
Yeah.
will deliver the food directly here at the table. We just have to wait.
It's Jollibot.
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 Yes. It's a robot. Tikay, your food is coming.
Thank you for coming, Jollibot.
Oh, thank you very much. Our food is ready. You can pick up now, Tikay.
You sing well.
And then we have to put back this one on it, and then it will go back.
Bye. Bye. See you later.
Allez, il passe encore devant, ce con là. C'est bon.
1, 2, 3, 7.
This one back, this one. Ah, yeah, it's coming back.
Please choose the tray where dishes are placed and enter your table number. Yeah, please choose.
So what did you order today?
I order vivobook with chicken wings.
Yeah, can I see it? Yeah, nice. And palabok is, what is it exactly?
It's like sutanghon, something like
Noodles?
yeah,
Noodles with what?
rice noodles with shrimps and
Yes.
sauce
Okay.
with gravy, I think,
That's
and
good.
slice of boiled egg.
And me, I order one piece of spicy fried chicken, some rice, and a small, very, very small burger with gravy and mushrooms. Bon appétit, Tikay.
Bon appetit.
And the drinks is
Royal
Royal.
to orange.
Yeah. And me, I took Coke.
Gin. Very thirsty.
Please choose the tray again and enter your table number. Yeah.
5087.
Tap start.
5790.
It's incredible, huh?
Please choose the tray where dishes are placed and enter your table number. Yeah.
5090, please.
5083.
Yeah.
So Tikay, did you like the food? Yes?
Yes.
It was good?
Palabok is one of my favorites.
Did you finish your plate?
Not really. My chicken wings, I gave it to Nicola.
Okay.
Because I'm on diet.
Tikay, on diet. She's never on diet, Tikay.
Maybe in half an hour, I'm going to order banana Q or halo-halo.
Yes.
OB flavor.
Okay, so we were today at the Jollibee in SM Aurora,
Aura.
Aura, in Taguig City, BGC, Bonifacio
Global,
City, a very modern part of Manila. We hope that you like this video, and this robot was working very well. We are very satisfied.
Robot is, it becomes one of my our subscribers.
Yes, yes. And he's very kind, you know. He always do what they ask him to do. Always.
It's normal. He's paid for that.
Okay, so see you next time. Have a good day, and let's continue our adventure in the Philippines.
Always think positive.
See you. Bye bye.
Arrivederci.
Arrivederci.
Ciao. Delome.